Today I will share the workflow of changing character poses. Use context to add lower depth map. Control to generate. Its advantage is the quality of the generated, higher and more perfect compared to previous character poses. Transform workflow effects more perfectly, and the consistency is more retained. As for this reference picture, the pose reference picture, be sure to choose this clean and simple. I'm here to introduce you to use my online mirror free. You can customize this action. Then take a screenshot of it. The setting method is very simple. Just add a character. Then you have to choose male or female. Quick delay if you don't want it. Then there is a preset for the posture. You can also adjust it manually. I usually just set it by default. Then adjust the angle of this action. Put some of this useless. Turn off everything in the sky and on the ground. Turn off the grid. The clones are also removed. Then click here to preview. It will be very simple. Click preview. Then you can take a screenshot, put it there. Save the screenshot. Come here. This is the method I use now. It is free. This way you get a clean and simple posture diagram. This way will be perfect for reference. I will introduce it in detail this operation later. Tutorial. Let's take a look at this LoRa first. This LoRa, yes. Context the LoRa. You can refer to the depth map to generate. Consistency is perfectly preserved. It doesn't matter if it's a person or something to eat. It will restore the past one-to-one. Okay. Let me introduce you the online mirror I've drawn across. If you don't want to deploy and want to use it out of the box, just click on My Mirror. Update to the latest version. This is how I open it now. If you see that I can use it, you can use it too. And I have more than just this one workflow. There is also a face-changing workflow, or the whole network just came out. Edit model workflow and previous character change pose 1 to point 2. There is also a workflow for the entire 1 to point set. Motion migration or first and last frame image generation. There is also a workflow for changing Chinese This is the most commonly used one, so I put it on the outside. It also includes 3 categories. There are hundreds of workflows for images, videos, voice, and there is light to remove watermarks, HD zoom, etc. Anyway, they are all functional workflows commonly used by designers. The video category is the alt.1. Generate videos and reference lip sync. Video redraw or style redraw, or generate portrait videos, etc. Remove the commonly used or video content. Here, voice is relatively simple. It is to extract human voice or a sentence to generate cloning speech. Vincent voice. There is also Vincent audio, Vincent music. There are also song voice changes and voice changers. It is more commonly used, so I recommend using an online mirror. This way you can copy it with one click. All my workflows. No need to deploy, build, etc. It is convenient to use right out of the box. Those who want local deployment, you can open my notes, click on the ComfyUI tutorial. It will jump to the location of the workflow. The same as the mirror image is one-to-one correspondence for each workflow. There are also video tutorials. I put this workflow in the image class. Character poses. Characters for knowledge focus context. Click on it and you will find its installation tutorial. The download location and installation location of this LoRa. Below is a simple workflow. Schematic screenshot. The screenshots I take here will be very clear. Each value can be seen clearly. There is also a simple process of a few steps. You only need these 5 steps to do it. Below is the workflow download. This is suitable for local deployment. Of course, I have many notes, Trojan issues, etc. Some technical. Okay, back to our workflow. The first step is to make this posture chart is available online for free. Adjust to your favorite posture. Import the final screenshot. The rest don't need to be moved. This is the character prompt you want to pick out. This is a cutout. For example, if there's a girl here, it will automatically pull it out. This is a cropping. Do you want it wider or narrow, or up or down a little lower or higher, etc.? Finally, you can pick it out. Then this is the upload you want to replace. A picture of action. This is the size and large. If you want to generate a larger size, you can adjust it here. It is a 1-to-1 magnification, so you can adjust the magnification. The one below is a depth map. Convert image to depth map in OneNote. I suggest you choose this ordinary one, because V2 is too thin. It is too detailed and refers to a lot of unnecessary references, so remember to choose this. Then this is image cropping. Crop this depth map in. Put it into 2 pieces and import. A deep graph workflow for context. This whole block is a deep graph workflow. All my layouts. For example, this top alignment. Bottom aligned, divided into 2 parts, from left to right and from top to bottom. The order is very clear, so you learn to use it. You will also use other workflows. I should be this workflow online. The most neatly arranged and standardized of master bar. Okay, this is the context model. Remember to use the original version for the best results. It is better to generate. Then this is what I just introduced. This person developed context lore. It can control the 1-to-1 restoration of the depth map. Then the other settings are actually not necessary. Don't remind me. I already have it here. The trigger words are already here. The trigger word is here. Here. The names correspond 1-to-1. If the trigger words here are not enough, of course, here are all my trigger words. You can click on the trigger word link. That's my notes. You can view all trigger words. Then here is a context focus workflow. A normal default workflow. There's nothing to say about that. Then this is just cutting it out. If the generated coding effect is inconsistent, you can generate multiple. Just remember to select the last one randomly. Continue to generate cards to solve. This change of posture is the best at the moment. Okay, let's go play Tilda.